BNB, we start with 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. Okay, first of all, if we refer to what I analyzed this in my last video, when the price was exactly within this one, we mentioned if you get any reversal, we can look for buy. But the question was whether either we get a correction here, we put in relative to this for this flat for one more drop, because we mentioned if this is the best, if we get one more drop, we with the breakout of this low, then we any reversal we can look for buy. And the second option was if the price reverse from here. As we can see, the price drop even retest the previous low, but the way is moving, still we can consider this one turn to a deeper correction. Because if we move to 15-minute chart, right, still we can look this one as the internal flat. This means still we can expect one move up, then this one turn to a deeper correction for one more drop. That's why if we want to consider this one as a reversal, we need to be quite careful. All right. Anyway, still we can look for reversal, but the only thing is how we can look at this. The wave is moving technically, we can expect for one more drop as an internal flat. All right. That's why if we want to look for buy, the best thing is we wait for the one more drop with the breakout of this low. We confirm this one is done. Then any reversal from there, we can look for buy. But how about if the price continue from here? We wait for the sharp move flag. We take the trade. The possibility of this one considered as a reversal is very risky. Even if you want to trade, having a trip of this is not a good idea, because if we put this one as a flat, we can get, in case as we mentioned, based on 15 minute, we get one move up to complete this correction, the price can tank. Anyway, the best thing is wait for one more drop before we look for the next trade. And I mentioned in case the price continue from here, we wait for the next flag, because if we move to daily chart, as we explained, based on daily chart, the price almost at the top. That's why if we want to look for buy, we need to be quite careful. Even based on the indicators, we have the divergence. All right, even if we move to forward chart, the way it's moving, we can expect this one turn to a deeper correction. That's why if we want to look for trade based on 1 hour chart, the best option, we wait for one more drop. And again, in case this one is the start of the up move, we wait for the next flag. And in short move flag, we take the trade, or we can have entry above this. All right, but buying right now is not a good idea, because the way it's moving is a corrective, is a like is moving, is going to be give us a deeper correction. Anyway, the best thing is again we wait for one more drop to confirm this correction is finished, then any reversal from there we can look for buy. If the price continue from here with the sharp move, the next flag we take the trade, or we can have entry above this. Buying within this, in case this is the start of the up move, is really risky. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.